It's Mark Hertzog from BIC Magazine here at the Downstream conference in Galveston. I want to welcome Christian Chanel from TubeTech, and we're here to talk about his products and what he's offering to the Downstream attendees. Chris, why don't you tell us a little bit about your product?
Yes, certainly, Mark. Well, basically, we have a robot, which is the only system in the world that can clean up to 95% of the surface area of a convection coil within a furnace, fired heater, or reformer. It's remotely operated, so safety is key, eliminates man entry, as there's basically remote from outside. You put it in, the robot does the work, keeps the guys away from the sharp end of the stick, as it were. So this system is very popular over here at the moment because there's a lot of talk about the safety aspects of confined space entry, and a lot of companies are trying to eliminate it. Okay. So we're ahead of the game on that with this system. Other benefits, as well as safety, which has always got to be priority, is basically the fact, because we can clean so much of it, we're reducing firing, reducing emissions, which is good for the environment, which is very important in a lot of the states in the US. And actually extending asset life, reducing the cost and increasing the efficiency of the plants overall.
Excellent. And how's the reaction been from the attendees here at the Downstream conference?
Very good so far.
Yeah?
Very good indeed. Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. Well, we really appreciate you being a good BIC Magazine marketing partner.
No problem, Mark.
Have a great show.
Thank you very much.
Okay.